Thunderstorm. A thunderstorm is the most common type of storm and forms when warm, moist air rises into cooler air above. As the air cools, water droplets and ice particles develop inside towering clouds. The movement of these particles creates lightning, while the rapid expansion of heated air produces thunder. Most thunderstorms bring heavy rain, gusty winds, and sometimes small hail. They are found across the world and can appear at any time of year, though they are most frequent in warmer seasons. Supercell Storm. A supercell is a powerful thunderstorm with a rotating updraft called a mesocyclone. Unlike ordinary thunderstorms, it can remain active for several hours while producing extremely severe weather. Supercells are responsible for many of the largest hailstones, the strongest tornadoes, and damaging straight-line winds. They are most common across the central United States, but they also occur in many other parts of the world where the atmosphere becomes highly unstable. Tornado. A tornado is a violently rotating column of air that extends from a thunderstorm to the ground. It usually develops from severe thunderstorms, especially supercells when changing wind speed and direction cause the air to spin. Tornadoes vary greatly in size and strength. Some last only a few minutes, while others leave long paths of destruction. Even a relatively small tornado can damage buildings, uproot trees, and overturn vehicles. Hurricane. A hurricane is a massive tropical storm that forms over warm ocean waters in the Atlantic Ocean and the Eastern Pacific. It gains energy from warm seawater and grows into a rotating system with an eye at its center. Around the eye, the strongest winds and heaviest rain are found. Hurricanes can cause destructive storm surges, widespread flooding, and powerful winds that affect entire coastlines. Similar storms are called by different names in other parts of the world. Cyclone. Cyclone is the name commonly used for tropical storms that develop in the Indian Ocean and the South Pacific. Although the name changes depending on the region, the storm itself forms in much the same way as hurricanes and typhoons. Cyclones often affect countries including India, Bangladesh, Australia, and Madagascar. Heavy rainfall and strong winds make them one of the most dangerous weather events in these regions. Hailstorm. A hailstorm forms inside strong thunderstorms where powerful updrafts repeatedly carry ice particles upward into freezing air. Each trip through the cloud adds another layer of ice until the hailstones become too heavy to stay aloft. They then fall to the ground, sometimes reaching the size of golf balls or even larger. Large hail can damage roofs, vehicles, crops, and windows within minutes. Dust storm. A dust storm occurs when strong winds lift large amounts of dust and sand from dry ground into the air. These storms are common in deserts and areas with little vegetation. They can reduce visibility, make travel dangerous, and affect air quality. Some dust storms can carry dust across entire regions and even travel between continents. Winter storm. A winter storm brings snow, freezing rain, sleet, or a combination of all three. It develops when cold air meets moist air, allowing frozen precipitation to fall instead of rain. Winter storms can make roads dangerously slippery, interrupt transportation, and cut off electricity when heavy snow or ice damages power lines. In colder climates, they are among the most disruptive seasonal weather events.